Just a drop of butter, 2 cardamoms, just 1 or 2 cloves, and 1 bay leaf. That's the spice you need for the soup, and you're good to go with the veggies. A bit of onion, 1 onion, and ginger garlic, either paste or chopped. A cream of bottle gourd carrot soup, just a little butter, ginger, garlic, onion, and cardamom, 1 bay leaf, cloves. Just give it 2 whistles and it's done, and then you can puree it after removing the bay leaf. My soup is boiled nicely. Now I'm just removing the bay leaf and I'm going to puree it with the hand blender in this itself. So it's very convenient and very easy to make. Do try out this soup. Very convenient and easy. Instead of transferring it into a mixie jar, this is so very convenient, isn't it? Nicely done now. Just going to transfer it. This soup is an absolute delight to make. Healthy, nutritious. The bottle gourd, the carrot, a little tomato. It's just natural goodness. No added corn flour, nothing. Just adding a little salt. Lots of pepper that I always use, and some mixed herbs or just oregano you can use to give that flavor. It's bubbling nicely, and with some buttered toast, it's going to make a perfect dinner, isn't it? Transferring it into my soup mug. Going to have a full mug of it. Much needed swirl of cream. That's the swirl, and of course fresh coriander. So doesn't my soup look absolutely gorgeous? Buttered toast and cream of bottle gourd and carrot soup. Gorgeousness on my plate. My dinner is perfect today.